Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and if I got a question for you, are you just like us and you're sick and tired of the big dog floor liner companies sending you durable, high-quality floor liners cut to fit your exact floorboards? Ha! Who wants that, huh? I'm talking about something manly, something like Mutt Liners. Oh, yeah! Look at this right here, man. We send it to you. It should already fit in your truck, but if not, that's okay. Grab you a hatchet, a chainsaw, a machine gun, whatever, and blow this puppy out. Come on, who wants something that can survive the elements? You want something with personality, something hot, something now, something cardboard. What do you say we pop open this truck and see if this bad boy slides right on in? All right. Now, I think my spatial reasoning isn't the best, but I think it might fit in there. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. You want to turn it sideways on me? Well, that's all right. We're just going to have to whip out a knife and do some cutting. You hear that whistle? That means the workshop is open and it's time for some cutting. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you that you should use some safety measures, maybe a box cutter with a guard on you. No, those people didn't put a man on the moon, they didn't build Wall Street, and they certainly ain't cutting their own floorboards. Now, what I like to use is the biggest knife in my kitchen. I like to think about something I'm real angry at and then shove it as deep into the floor mats as I possibly can. Okay, so let me think here. I got it. All right. Why didn't you buy me a car, Dad? Ah! Easy as pie. And don't forget that these products are made right here in the good old US of A. We told you. So now, it's time to get to the last part of the installation process, putting this bad boy in. You see, we cut it very easily, and now it's going to slide right on in. Ha! Look at that. Yeah, if you want to pick one of these up, and goodness knows, why wouldn't you? Hit us up at MidwestAftermarket.com. You can pick up the phone and give us a call. Speaking of picking up the phone, I'm going to call the hospital. I've lost a lot of blood. We'll see you next time. On the gas pedal, though. Oh, God, the eye! Oh, God, the fingers! I've only got 2 left. Hey, what's up, Husky Liners? Yeah, I just bought this brand new truck, and I need something to protect the floors, and I know that you guys are the best. Hold on. Are you still...